Today I'll be showing you how to adjust your tool balancer, in this case a JHOP 033 pound swivel. We also call these retractors for scanners. This particular unit will be used for a DS3678 or a 3608 scanner. So the biggest complaint that we have is that when you pull it, it snaps back really quickly and really hard. So the first thing that we'll do is we're going to adjust the tension. You'll notice there's a plus here and then a minus here. So the trick to the minus is we hold it in and then we turn it. It's designed to not go backwards easily. Like that, and keep going backwards till you're out of space. Alright, so now we've taken all the tension out. Now it's very loose. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to adjust the drag. And we use a 4mm Allen wrench, and we can go and tighten it. And how many turns it takes will depend on your unit. If we go too much, it'll pull really hard and not retract. If we go all the way loose, it'll snap back super quick. But with this little tension that we just added, we shouldn't need a whole lot of drag, just a touch. Just a little bit more until you get it you hit the sweet spot. And I'm not doing this with a scanner, so we don't know exactly how much it's going to be. There we go. So now it's got a nice amount of drag on it, and when I let go, not that much tension. There you go.